So we're here shooting this video out of frustration, and the frustration that restoration contractors get when they literally get called to go out, whether it's an insurance job, whether it's a private job, it doesn't make a difference. They go out to these jobs, a leak created the damage that they're dealing with, and they cannot get to their work, they cannot get started with their work until the leak is taken care of. And sometimes they have to wait weeks on other leak detection companies. Relying on these other companies is not a good way of doing business. It's going to slow you down. It's going to stop you from doing your work. What we do here at Leaktronics is we teach the leak detection online training course, and it's going to allow you as a restoration contractor to go in to find these leaks, get them remediated, have them fixed so that you could go in and make the real money doing what you know, and that's in restoration. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.